Today we will be learning how to download YouTube reports from your YouTube Analytics. It is very simple, very easy. Let's get right to it. Once you log into your YouTube Analytics, please click on the Analytics section in your YouTube Studio. There are two ways to access your YouTube Analytics. The first one is on the top right corner. It tells you it reads advanced mode, which shows you a bunch of columns and the data, and another is see more. It gives you the same amount of data as the advanced mode. The same applies for if you want to do analysis for the watch hours, subscribers, and estimated revenue as well. So once you click on see more, it gives you the list of uh, YouTube videos that you have uploaded and the amount of views that each video has received, the watch hours that each video has contributed to, the subscribers each video has gained for your channel. If your channel is monetized, it tells you how much revenue has each video estimated for your channel as well, along with the amount of impressions and the click-through rates. The next analysis that you can export from YouTube is the traffic source. Where exactly are your videos getting the views and the watch time and the engagement from? What is the source? Maybe it's an external source like YouTube search or Facebook or Twitter. Or is it the YouTube search itself or some browse features of YouTube, or YouTube is suggesting your videos to different YouTubers as well? Which country is contributing to the maximum amount of traffic to your channel? The age of the viewer, it goes deep and deep into the demographics of your viewers that we saw in just about some time back. So it tells you which geography, in the geography, the viewer age, the gender of the viewer, and the date. So each day, how much was your channel visited, the watch time hours for that day, and the average view duration for that particular date is also shared. If you have a monetized channel, it will show you the revenue source of your YouTube revenue as well. With that being said, there are more and more reports that you can access, the playlist, device type, more in-depth reports are available on YouTube as well. However, the video section of your YouTube reports is by far the most important section. It tells you exactly how each and every video has performed on your channel. And you can further analyze, do your optimization changes while looking at this data. Now, how do you exactly download this report? Very simple. There's a download export current view button on the top right corner where you can actually download this report into a CSV or export it directly to a Google Sheet tab as well for further analysis. I hope you like this video. It is a very simple way to download the reports, nothing to get to be confused about. Uh, Please do use this analysis for enhancing your YouTube experience of being a YouTuber, or to optimize your clients' YouTube videos as well. I hope you like this video. Please do like and subscribe. In the next video, we will be looking at how to find opportunities of optimization in your YouTube analytics.